A few days ago, I got this message from a friend. Hey man, I hope you're well. I have a hard time keeping money in my savings account. What do you think it'll be some good habits that I can practice in order to save this money? As you know, I'm not a financial advisor, but I genuinely wanted to help my friend to apply the same strategies I personally use that have helped me grow my wealth. And this made me think, why don't I make a video about some good strategies and tips you can use to help you with bad spending habits? Now I know, some of you might be thinking budgeting, savings, that's super boring. But trust me, if you want to level up your financial game, you've got to pay attention to these 9 tips I'm going to give you. So let's dive into it. Budgeting. I'll be honest, budgeting can feel like a boring diet for your wallet, but at least the only thing getting thinner is your debt. But I've got you. I've created an Excel sheet template for you guys to make it simpler. It's totally free, so go on, download from the link below, and track your income and expenses monthly. It is like taking a financial selfie. You'll see where your money is being going, like those daily coffee runs, and where you can save the most of your money every single day. I'm happy to share with you that some of my friends, they cut down on smoking and were shocked on how much they were saving in just 2 weeks. So yeah, depending on your finances, cutting down on those short-term pleasures can do wonders for both of your wallet and your health. Saving. Your financial pillow. Whenever you cut down on those extra expenses, slide that cash straight to your savings account. It's like petting your financial future $1 at a time. I used to work for a pizza restaurant, and to be honest with you, I had a hard time doing this before. Every paycheck I received was seen as an impulsive buying opportunity, where I always ended up spending more than I made. Nowadays, I have developed this mentality to prevent something financially unexpected from happening. So if it happens, I'm ready to use my saved money to solve the issue and prevent it from growing. Remember, a wise man thinks ahead, a fool doesn't, and even brags about it. Control that impulse. Before you go crazy on the latest iPhone or those shoes you saw online, take a moment, ask yourself, do I really need this? Chances are you can survive without it. Learning how to control your emotions and desires will prepare you to be mentally stronger. So in the future, you can look back and see how mature you've gotten at your spending habits and be thankful to have the self-control and financial life you have. The golden rule, living below your means. This tip here is huge. I've been living below my means for quite a while now, and honestly, it's not bad at all. It's tempting to upgrade my lifestyle every now and then when a little extra cash comes in, but I resist. Whoever loves money never has enough. And you come to realize that happiness isn't directly tied to material goods, instead to family and relationships you make along the way. Investing. Make money work for you. Consider diving into stocks, bonds, or other assets. And if you're wondering how, don't worry, this video up here will help answer any possible questions you might have about investments, from covering the finance basics to the most profitable investment paths to choose. Automate to dominate. Now hey, I highly recommend you to merge these 2 options that I'm going to give you and make the most out of them. If you have a bank that allows you to set up automatic transfers, do it. That means your bank will throw any percentage you would want to your checkings account and the rest to your savings account. That way you're saving without even thinking about it. There's this app called Acorn that you can link your bank account to every purchase you make, and it automatically rounds up to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change in diversified portfolios. Now combine these 2 options and strategies and watch your bank account grow. Your future self will thank you. Keep tabs on your money's journey. Boring? Maybe. Necessary? Absolutely. Regularly check how you're doing financially and adjust as you go. Please, always keep on track if you're lacking any of these previously mentioned tips. It's all part of the game to have a relapse, but you should always come back stronger than ever before to fight against something you're working so hard to change, which in this case is your financial future. The comparison trap. Something I have noticed in today's society is that people tend to always have someone or something to compare themselves to. It's always about, this guy makes more money than me. How come? Never went to college nor had a great job position. The point that I want to make here is you. Yes, you watching me right now. Avoid comparing yourself and your financial journey to others. Everyone's story is different. Focus on your own goals. Remember, you do you, bro. Always be learning. Stay updated on the latest financial news and trends. The financial world is always changing, and being informed might just help you spot the next big investment opportunity. And that's it for today. I know it was a short video, but drop your thoughts in the comments below about your journey and how would you like to improve yourself and your financial needs. We are all here to learn and grow together as brothers and sisters. So let's get financially fit together. Peace.